Listen, I love this neighborhood, but I'm gonna need a bicycle ASAP. Hoo chow. All right, I'm gonna try this walk and talk with me. This walk and talk video today while I'm dodging trees and, you know, I tried to be a really good YouTuber. Today. Put my mics in to charge and I'm using my stabilizer. Walked out the house, mics are still on charge. So I hope you can hear me with the traffic going by. I'm on my way to a paint and sip in my neighborhood. My dear neighbor Sonia, a friend I met, you know, when I came here almost a year ago now. She's hosting a paint and sip. And so I'm walking to her house. I'm a little bit late because which how the sun. I hope she forgives me. She's a stickler for time, and boy, you know, the closer you live to a place is the later you are. Facts. But anyways, let's get into it. You saw the title of the video. Your girl is monetized and I'm so super excited about it. So I wanted to share with you what that journey is like, what it means to be monetized on YouTube, how long it took me to get here, and some of the things that I did. So when I started this journey almost a year ago, I had a YouTube channel already with around 300 subscribers on it. It was very sporadic. I was just doing oddball videos, very oddball videos, because I am a blogger first, or I was a blogger first. And so I used to just do videos every now and then that complemented the blogs. Like I've been on a few excursions in Jamaica, and of course, how best to show an excursion than through video. But it wasn't a part of my strategy really. I was just doing videos that complemented my blogs. Fast forward to when I decided to leave Jamaica and embark on this journey with my entire family in tow. We were one income then. We're still kind of one income actually. It's really just, but I knew that, you know, I could possibly take this YouTube, I could probably possibly take this whole YouTube thing, turn it up a notch, and grow it into a second stream of income, right? So I did all these videos with that in mind. And I can't believe that less than a year later, I am monetized. I got monetized all the way back in March. So you see how far out this video is, because we are in June. We're almost in the middle of June. I got monetized at the end of March, and I started my travel journey. Wow. I keep saying a year ago without realizing that we left Jamaica on June 25, I think. I'm almost sure. So yeah, it's been almost a year. We went to Panama first, then Colombia, and we've been in Mexico since August 26th, I believe. Back and forth, but thereabout. And so yeah, I've been actively working on this channel really and truly since June of last year, and it was monetized in March. That is super exciting for me because it means that YouTube can eventually become a proper source of income for me and my family. Now, what does this mean for the channel? Like, does it mean anything significant for me, for you guys? Will anything change? Let me try and cross the street. And now I'm gonna be in the sun for a while. Hang on, I'll come back when I've crossed the street. All right, I'm back. So, I have met quite a few of you guys. I'm so excited about that part. So, I guess when I started the whole channel thing, YouTube journey, you know, I've met people from my blog before. People have come up to me, hey, you're Irie Diva, and I'm like, yeah. And it's always kind of weird because, you know, I don't think of myself as someone known. They they do. They like feel like, I know this person. Hola. And so I've been meeting a few of y'all. Y'all are researching either moving to Merida or just visiting, and you're finding my channel, and some of y'all actually make the journey, and then you see me at the meetups and you're like, hey, you're the traveling Jamaican. That has been really rewarding for me. That is so exciting because the conversations that I've had with the people who have found the channel, if I look back with the dog sitting them, yeah, you're like, this channel has been so helpful. And even if you didn't find it particularly helpful for your journey, a lot of y'all are really like, oh, which road this again? Remember when I going up people? Anyway, at that part, a lot of y'all are like, you really enjoy my personality. Every now and then I do kind of chip into the Jamaican patois because sometimes some things just get out better in your native tongue, you know what I say? That part there. Oh child, the sun. I want time for work come out here in this sun, yeah. 4 o'clock in the evening. No sir. But yes, it's been really, really fun meeting y'all. By the way, this is the neighborhood of Las Americas, if you're seeing it in the background and wondering where to come live or what neighborhood to scout. This is Las Americas 2, and it's you see I'm walking, and you see, I don't know if you saw how many businesses I passed. Like there are restaurants, 500 restaurants, doctors, dentists, there's a vet I'm walking past right now, all kind of food trucks, grocery stores, everything you need is in this neighborhood. So if you are looking for a neighborhood that's between, it's not inside Merida, it's outside of the peripheral, but it's the only neighborhood. I've been in 3 neighborhoods now outside of the peripheral, and this one has been the easiest to get Ubers and DDs, transportation. They also are on the Va-E-Ven bus route, which I just got my Va-E-Ven card, so look out for that video coming up when I take my first bus journey here. But anyway, this is the neighborhood you want to be in because it's right between Merida and the beach, so I can actually take an Uber to the beach and it's not that expensive. I love it here. But anyway, yeah, so I love that you guys are actually making the plans, doing your research and following through, coming here and meeting me. It's so fulfilling to actually meet y'all. And then when I meet y'all, some of y'all are like, the videos are slacking, Monique. Look how long now you know post. What the video them there? Let me tell you something. We are 4 people on 1 income mainly still. It's a lot. Doing YouTube videos is a lot. When I did all the, searching for the houses and stuff, I rented a car to do that. If you guys see me out and about on a beach trip or a restaurant or somewhere, it costs money to do all that. And sometimes I have to be like picking which ones I do, because some of them I really do just to get the footage for y'all. Some of them not in the budget. It takes a lot to be a YouTuber, but I make the sacrifice as much as I can. So that, because I do want to grow the channel and hopefully turn it into an income source for my family. Here's where y'all come in. If you look down below this video right now, you'll see the option to either join my membership. Each channel has, once you're monetized, you're able to start a membership, and I call mine the travel buddies to come along with me because I actually do have a summer full of travel upcoming. Walk over here, so coming like when dog back off of me. Hola, buenas tardes. So yeah, I actually do have a summer filled with travel coming up, and so you can join a membership, or you can just be you can leave a super thanks. So if you scroll down and you look below, there's a button that says super thanks or gift or something like that, and you can leave a gift of $5 up to any amount you want. But you can leave a super thanks and help me out. All those proceeds go toward making videos for y'all. So if you're enjoying the content, you find it helpful, do me, I beg you, leave some super thanks down below so I can rent back one car. God, the sun hot out here. Alright, I'm gonna pay and sip. This is just a little preview of the paint and sip we're eating before we actually start painting. So I love that the host included actual food like dinner, like fried chicken. So I really enjoyed that, and I have a video coming up with how to find these events so that you can get out there in the community and find friends, build your tribe. But yes, there are multiple ways to support the channel. So thank you for just subscribing and sharing and liking the videos. And of course, if you'd like, leave me a super thanks or join the Travel Buddy membership. Here is my painting. It's the first time I've been to a sip and paint, and the painting actually come out so good. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. Okay, bye guys. Thank you so much for the support and the love.